Hello everyone, this is going to show you how to use K518 Pro programming all key lost 2015 Land Rover Discovery 4. At first, this is original car key in my hand because another key is lost. So we need to do all key lost program for clean the lost key. Select Emo menu, Land Rover, select by Vehicle, Discovery 4, Smart Key. At first, there are two menus when we enter. Press all key lost. The instruction shows at least two keys are required. In fact, using one key is also fine. OK. Turn off the ignition switch. The ignition switch has never been turned on. Click OK. Displayed part number OK. The key in the car has been identified as 0. OK. Do you want to program a new key? Yes. Please take the smart key in your hand. Click OK. Unlock the key once within 5 seconds. OK, the key works if you hear the sound. Press again within 5 seconds. The number of program key in the car identified is 1. The device prompts whether to program another new key. No. OK. Return to the system. Now let's try the remotes of original car key. Lock. Unlock. Lock. OK, the new key works well. Now let's start the vehicle. Press the brake. OK, the engine starts.